been giving my aloe vera and spider plants a bit of a spring clean, and my jade plants. And this is the first watering they've had in months. Months and months. So we'll see how they bounce back for the spring. It's been freezing in this conservatory. That's the temperature now. So that's the hottest it's been in ages. Completely dried out, some of them. Make sure they all get a good watering. This is from a big aloe vera plant that I separated at the end of last summer. I'll put a little picture up now because it flowered. Can you believe it? An aloe vera flowered. How beautiful does that look with the sun shining? So nice. I'm just giving everything a spring clean, and I'm even cleaning the windows. It's like a greenhouse, the conservatory. This is a jade cutting I took last summer. It's like a boomerang shape. Boomerang! It's like a... what do you call it?
It's a slingshot, Kimberly.
Massive, isn't it? I love jade plants. That needs a bit of a water. Another jade plant of mine from a big cutting I took last year. And all that fairy stuff is just some spider webs from Halloween. Now this one's leaves have been falling off, and I overwatered it slightly. It's been in the cold side of the house. So lesson learned, don't put the plants that need more sun in the colder side of the house over winter, but it's fine in the summer. Sorry little planty. Do you want to stay in the sun for a bit? Yeah? With all your friends? Okay. And this is Mama plant, the original, or my original, because I got this from a cutting off my dad's plant. It's making lots of little babies at the bottom. And that's the pot it's in. I think I might give this a bigger pot this year, because you know when you see them and they're absolutely massive like trees. I would love a proper big jade plant, money tree. And you know why they're called money trees? That's why I think they are anyway. It's when the leaves sometimes fall off and you see them on the ground. If I can zoom in, it looks a bit like shiny. I can't show you. Can you see that? It's a bit shiny because I like looking at it. And they give you good luck, apparently. Mama Jade plant. Isn't this the cutest little thing you've ever seen? This started off from that leaf. One little leaf turned into this since last summer. Isn't that amazing? Fascinated by them. That's why I've got so many. And you can give them as gifts to the teachers at school or anything like that. So cool.
More little babies from Mama Plant. And more. What was I thinking? Aww.
While I'm here, I'm going to give my potatoes a quick spray so they don't dry out because they're getting a bit shriveled. See? They're probably not worth planting, but I might plant them in some pots or something. But these ones are a good size. I saved these potatoes from my own potatoes I grew last year. They are called
Red Duke of York.
they're early variety. So to stop your potatoes shrivelling up and drying out completely, give them a bit of a spray. These are all Hosta seedlings they look like pretty dead, don't they? I was just about to throw them out and took one out the pot and look. So I knew that hostas die back and come back up in the summer, but I just thought that these were just dead because they were so little and I wasn't really watering them much. That's definitely alive, isn't it? See? Life. They're all alive. I'm going to clean them up now and look after them a bit better. So there they are. The pots look an absolute mess. I think that's something to do with the hard water that we have here. But look. That's the one I just pulled out, repotted. Yeah, there was one that died. That just completely disappeared. I can't believe I've kept them alive. I got lots of little seeds last year in a little clear bag of unto pepper. I'll show you a picture now. And I just popped them all up. I did lose a few, but these are the ones that were left, and I brought them in the conservatory and just forgot about them. I'll be so impressed if these all grow. I have loads of hostas. It was my dad who gave me them though, so I'll have to give him some back. Baby hostas. Wonder when I can put them outside. Might have to be inside for another year, do you think? Let's see how big they grow. Hostas. Who likes hostas? This is Mama Spider Plant. Wow. That's loved it in the conservatory all winter. My little sign I got. That's going to go in the allotment soon. I didn't want it to get destroyed over winter, so I've kept it in here for now. And some tomatoes that must have sprouted in 3 days, and I've just come in and they need repotting already. How quick was that? And I've got some chilies on the other side. Let's just have a look. I know it's really bad luck. They died. They died. But these didn't. I always grow too many tomatoes anywhere. So I can't see the names. Oh, it's chilies, peppers, tomatoes. And I've got that open as well because they've all grew. Whew.
Thanks for watching my little tour of the conservatory.